Alright, I'm taking measurements on the Mustang before I start disassembling things, just noting down all the measurements I think I can come up with. And one of the things I noticed is, obviously I got the tape measure out, but I can't even fit my index finger in the gap here. However, on this side, I can get my finger all the way in. I can touch the sheet metal in the back if I wanted to go this way. So things are not straight. The one thing I noticed, which, it's been probably 10 years since I put fuel in this thing, that doesn't open anymore until I push down on the bumper. I think pushing it around in the shop up on these dollies and using the bumper to push it, I might have pushed this bumper out of whack somehow. That's the only thing I can think of. So, in getting a measurement here, I'm at, what's that, 6 5/8. That doesn't seem right, and I don't know why. It looks okay, aside from the fact that this is way too close. There's no adjustment up. There's no adjustment to this at all. The only thing that could have moved is this, and there's a reason why I need to start rebuilding this car. Anyhow, for you guys online, I'm putting this video together. If somebody can get me the distance that their 67 drops from the trunk, the deck lid, to the bumper, that would be great. Thank you.